Welcome to Space Quiz Universe. Ready to test your space knowledge? 5 seconds to choose your answer. What is the largest planet in our solar system? B. Jupiter. Which celestial body is known as Earth's natural satellite? C. Moon. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? A. Milky Way. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? C. Mars. What is the name of the largest moon of Jupiter? B. Ganymede. Which planet is closest to the Sun? B. Mercury. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? C. Neil Armstrong. What is the name of the largest volcano in the solar system located on Mars? B. Olympus Mons. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? B. Saturn. What is the name of the force that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? A. Gravity. Drop your score in the comment, like and subscribe for more Space Quiz.